This is a Cleveland vertical CNC bed mill. It's a model 6FC with a Centroid control on it, CNC control. We'll run it through a quick program. It's a 13 by 58 inch table. It's got 40 inches of X travel, 22 in the Y, and 20 inch in the Z. Go ahead and start it. It's 40 taper spindle with a power drawbar. It'll do a quick bolt hole pattern, trapping around the part, feeding. Zero to 4,000 RPM. It'll work light. Real quiet operation. It's in a pec drill? Okay. It's got a tool touch-off probe included. There's some software, some additional software included in it. Are you done with that? Okay, yeah. Go to the software, the extra software menu there. There's some additional software, and we'll include that on the quote along with yes. The anything marked yes on there. And additional information, of course, on the quote and also on the website.